know there's a hole right there.
Yep. I got eyes, I got eyes. Push up with me. He's behind the truck, two behind the truck. He's hit. One of them's hit, one's medicing.
What's under the truck? Can they shoot under it? Okay.
Reloading.
I'm dripping flat.
Keep an eye, keep an eye. Push the corner. Push the corner. Push up, go. Come on. Push. Keep this corner.
Watch out, through the window, through the window, through the window. Get it!
No.
I literally been.
No.
Yes.
It went over my shoulder.
Dude, I aimed it right at you.
I mean, I'll call it, but I'm pretty sure I got both of you guys too.